If you're a man over 60 and your energy or daily performance is dropped, this isn't just aging. In 2026, the first thing many doctors check isn't exercise or motivation. It's 3 specific vitamin levels. Because when these fall, energy drops, stamina fades, and the body feels slower, no matter how hard you try. Today, you'll learn the 3 vitamins most linked to restoring energy and performance after 60, and why correcting them changes how a man feels week to week. Let's start with what's happening inside the body. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is not just a bone vitamin. After 60, it behaves more like a hormone that helps the body regulate how energy is produced and used throughout the day. It supports muscle strength and coordination, influences testosterone signaling, stabilizes immune function, and helps regulate daily energy rhythm. Many men over 60 are low in vitamin D without realizing it, especially those who spend less time outdoors or experience reduced absorption with age. Common signs include persistent fatigue, slower or heavier movement, reduced strength, and a noticeable drop in mood or motivation. Clinical research continues to show how impactful this nutrient is in older adults. A 2020 review on aging and vitamin D status reported that correcting deficiency in older men was associated with improvements in muscle performance and physical function, with strength and mobility markers improving by roughly 10 to 20%, depending on baseline levels. Beyond energy and strength, vitamin D also supports circulation in multiple ways. It helps maintain blood vessel flexibility, supports endothelial function, assists blood pressure regulation, enhances nitric oxide signaling, improves oxygen delivery, supports healthy arterial response, reduces vascular stiffness, improves tissue nourishment, strengthens exercise tolerance, and aids recovery after physical effort. Because erectile function is largely driven by blood flow, adequate vitamin D levels have been associated with better vascular responsiveness, firmer blood flow signaling, and a lower risk of circulation-related erectile dysfunction in aging men. When vitamin D levels are restored, men often notice steadier morning energy, greater physical confidence when moving, and improved endurance during normal daily activities. For most men over 60, physicians commonly recommend checking blood levels first. Maintenance intake often falls in the range of 800 to 2,000 IU per day, taken with a meal that contains healthy fats to improve absorption. Men with confirmed deficiency may be advised higher short-term doses under medical supervision, followed by a maintenance level once optimal blood values are reached. Some men begin noticing subtle shifts in energy and sleep quality within 2 to 4 weeks. Muscle strength, stamina, and movement confidence typically improve over 4 to 8 weeks as blood levels stabilize. Circulation-related benefits and deeper physical endurance often build gradually over 8 to 12 weeks with consistent intake and sunlight exposure. This is not about megadose or quick fixes. It's about restoring a signal the body relies on for energy, circulation, and physical responsiveness after 60, safely and consistently. But vitamin D is only the first layer. Because even with good circulation and stronger muscles, energy will still lag if nerve signaling and oxygen delivery aren't working efficiently. Which brings us to the next vitamin most men over 60 don't realize they're low in. 2. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for how the brain, nerves, and muscles communicate. It plays a direct role in nerve signaling, oxygen transport in the blood, mental clarity, and overall physical stamina. As men age, absorption of B12 naturally declines. This means that even men who eat well and consume enough protein can still become low without realizing it. Early signs are often subtle and easy to overlook. Brain fog becomes more common. Tingling or numb sensations may appear in the hands or feet. Motivation drops. Many men describe feeling drained for no clear reason, even after rest. When B12 levels are corrected, the response can be noticeable. Mental sharpness often improves first. Stamina follows. Movement begins to feel easier and more coordinated, especially during daily activities. Research supports this effect. A 2019 clinical nutrition review examining older adults with B12 insufficiency found that restoring adequate levels improved neurological function, oxygen utilization, and fatigue markers, with reported improvements in energy and functional performance ranging roughly 15 to 25%, depending on baseline deficiency and age. B12 also supports circulatory health by helping regulate homocysteine levels, improving red blood cell formation, supporting oxygen delivery, maintaining vascular integrity, aiding nerve-controlled blood vessel dilation, stabilizing heart rhythm signaling, improving tissue perfusion, supporting endothelial health, reducing fatigue linked to poor circulation, and strengthening overall cardiovascular efficiency. These effects contribute to smoother blood flow, improved physical endurance, steadier heart-muscle coordination, better recovery after exertion, and more consistent energy throughout the day. Because erectile function relies heavily on nerve signaling and circulation working together. Adequate B12 status is associated with improved vascular responsiveness, stronger nerve-to-vessel communication, and reduced risk factors linked to circulation-related erectile dysfunction in aging men. For men over 60, intake is typically guided by blood levels and absorption capacity. Many physicians recommend daily oral support in the range of 500 to 1,000 micrograms, especially when absorption is reduced, while individuals with confirmed deficiency may require higher oral doses or periodic injections under medical supervision until levels stabilize. Some men notice mental clarity and energy changes within the first 1 to 3 weeks. Nerve-related symptoms and stamina typically improve over 4 to 8 weeks as red blood cell production and nerve signaling normalize. Circulation-related benefits and deeper physical endurance usually continue building over 8 to 12 weeks with consistent intake. This is one of the fastest nutrient deficiencies older adults tend to respond to, because restoring B12 directly improves nerve efficiency and oxygen delivery, two systems that strongly influence how energetic and capable the body feels after 60. 3. Magnesium. Magnesium supports more than 300 processes in the body, many of which directly affect how a man feels day to day after 60. It plays a central role in muscle relaxation, sleep quality, blood flow regulation, and energy production inside the cell. These are the exact systems that influence recovery, stamina, and physical performance. Low magnesium often appears quietly. Sleep becomes lighter and less restorative. Muscles feel tighter. Fatigue lingers even after rest. The body feels like it never fully resets. When magnesium levels are restored, sleep tends to deepen first. Recovery improves. Daily energy becomes more stable and predictable rather than rising and crashing. And stable energy is what translates into performance. How steady you feel walking, working, thinking, and moving throughout the day. Research reflects this pattern. A 2021 review on magnesium status in older adults linked adequate intake with improvements in sleep efficiency, muscle function, and metabolic energy production, with functional and fatigue-related improvements commonly reported in the range of 12 to 20% depending on baseline deficiency. Magnesium also supports circulation in multiple ways. It helps relax blood vessels, supports nitric oxide activity, improves vascular flexibility, stabilizes heart rhythm signaling, enhances oxygen delivery to tissues, supports endothelial function, reduces vascular tension, improves nutrient transport, aids recovery after exertion, and supports overall cardiovascular efficiency. These effects contribute to smoother blood flow, better endurance, improved physical responsiveness, and more consistent energy output. Because erectile function relies heavily on healthy circulation and vascular relaxation, adequate magnesium levels are associated with improved blood flow dynamics and reduced risk factors linked to circulation-related erectile dysfunction in aging men. For men over 60, intake is typically adjusted based on diet and tolerance. Many physicians recommend daily support in the range of 200 to 400 milligrams, often taken in the evening to support relaxation and sleep quality, with forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate commonly used for better absorption. Changes tend to build progressively. Sleep quality may improve within 1 to 2 weeks, muscle relaxation and recovery over 3 to 6 weeks, and circulation and endurance benefits over 6 to 10 weeks with consistent intake. When magnesium is restored, the body doesn't just feel more rested, it becomes more responsive. And that responsiveness is what supports strength, stamina, and daily performance after 60. These three don't compete. They stack and reinforce each other. Vitamin D helps regulate hormonal signaling and muscle activation. Vitamin B12 supports nerve communication and oxygen delivery to working tissues. Magnesium drives cellular energy production and supports recovery after effort. When combined, they rebuild the biological foundation that daily performance depends on after 60. Movement becomes more coordinated and less tiring. Motivation improves because the brain and body communicate more efficiently. Physical responsiveness returns as muscles, nerves, and circulation begin working in sync again. Instead of forcing energy, the body starts producing and using it more efficiently. And that's what allows stamina, confidence, and day-to-day performance to gradually come back online. If this breakdown is helping you understand what your body actually needs, tap like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. This channel focuses on calm, practical strategies grounded in physiology, approaches that support energy, circulation, and performance as men age. Let me leave you with this. Energy decline is not a personal failure. In most cases, it's a biological signal. And signals can be improved when the body gets the support it's been missing. You don't need extreme routines. You don't need complicated stacks of supplements. Start with the fundamentals. Support what the body is no longer absorbing or producing efficiently. Give it time to respond. Consistency matters more than intensity. As the foundation improves, energy stabilizes, confidence builds, daily performance becomes more reliable again. Start there. Stay steady. Your body is still capable of responding, even after 60.